Okay guys, check out this 2024 Cadillac Escalade ESV Platinum Sport. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Fully loaded. TV's in the rear. It's got the black Onyx package. Super clean motor. It's got a little under 15,000 miles on it. It is a rebuilt title. Had a little suspension work. Have damaged pictures, but you couldn't see it. I fully inspected it. I see this panel has had a little paint work on it, but everything else, there's no paint work on this vehicle besides that panel. TVs, big old panoramic sunroof. So 14,902 on the miles. It's got the Super Cruise, lane assist, heated steering wheel. And obviously all your Android Auto. It does have ambient lighting. So but you can change all your different colors. So turn on your rear media here. So this is wireless phone charging here. All your different drive modes, you can control everything from here. Garage, let's see, So this does have heated, cooled seats and massage seats. Power running boards, illuminated kick plates, all-weather floor mats, speakers in the headrest, suede roof. So 3 seats in the seat belts in the back. Makes this a 7-passenger. See all these all-weather floor mats. You can see touchscreen players back here, heated seats in the rear, cup holders. It's where you'd plug in game players, you know. What do they have? Xbox these days or PlayStation. So power running boards. So this does have the kick. I know I had it working. I don't know where. So pop your glass here. See those blind spot monitors there. Does have your regular floor mats here, all weather. I believe this is going to be the subwoofer here in the back. Power reclining. This also has the cooler inside here. Oh, pretty slick. Turn it on, keeps all your drinks cold. There's a set of headphones there. The original window sticker here. $125,000 sticker, so you can see the Onyx Package, his wheels, refrigerator, heavy duty tow package. Super clean. This was also damaged, I think, with 2,000 to 3,000 miles on it. Guy registered it and drove it for a little while and sold it to me. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.